Oh, hi guys, welcome back to the channel called Saskia Brunei. So today I will be doing something, but before I just even move, I am so sorry that I'm not giving out shout out. And I'll tell you the reason. It is because, I'm too busy. As you can see, I just went back from school. I have my trousers on, so yeah. But I will give some more shout out because I didn't really check out my channel and I even did not do a video for a really long time. But I promise right now this video is starting. So right now I'm going to be doing a video every single day to keep up. Because I know I am missing out today and you're like, when is she gonna do a video? I'm waiting so long. Maybe even you guys don't want me to do a video. But I will try my best to actually keep up with YouTube and try to do all these amazing videos for you amazing, happy people out there. And yeah. So today, and make sure you actually follow me before we do that. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. I'll say them right now because in the comment section it is not going to be good. So make sure you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Snapchat name is Saskia Brunei. So like my channel's name, but put OVA, over, over at the end, okay? As you didn't know, my real name is Saskia Brunei, you're over. And my Instagram is the same one as my Snapchat, but it maybe might not. So if you want, just try it, okay? And yeah. And this is actually what I did right now. I just did a little drawing. And even guys, comment down below your name, or if you don't want to say your name, put the first letter of your name, okay? I really want to know. Okay, so today what we are going to be doing, guys, comment down below even that, what should I do next? Because I always say to people, give me some ideas. Oh yeah, today I'm going to be showing you my fridget spinners. So this is one that I brought from Blackpool. So it's a pirate one, as you can see. There's two on there. Really spin. So it looks like this from the front, from the back. My next, I don't know, was my third fidget spinner because I had a fidget spinner that lights up, but I don't know where I got it. This is where I got it from, obviously, my country, England. So this one, it's a gold one. Okay. I saw you. Turn this chair around. Okay, well this video. Okay, guys, I was just kidding. I just showed you my two. But today, what we are going to be doing, I didn't even know. So boring. Look at the weather outside. I wish I went outside. Can somebody just tell me it's raining and pouring, like the sun is blowing. It's actually the 24th of April 2002. I could brown the lane. Be a bit. Please guess. Lane. This is my sauciest word. So guys, thank you for watching this video. This was a video about bows. No, I'm kidding. About fridges. Make sure you go follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat. If you paid concentration, you would see the names. Sorry guys about that. This camera keeps falling. Sorry. Okay. If you paid attention, I told you the names. I'm not gonna tell you. Yeah. And comment down below too. What fridget you have. And bye. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give it a very big thumbs up. And make sure you comment down below. First, what should I do next on my videos? That's all. Second, what kind of fridget spinner you have? Third, what's your first, letter? Bye. Bye. Saskia's. Bingo.